Hello, class. It's about time you got here. I've been waiting all day. Gotham needs your help. But in order to trust you, I need to know who your favorite superhero is. Type it in the box to the right. I hope your answer is Batman. But if not, we gotta keep moving. Now the Joker's taken over Gotham City. He started off with 24 bad guys, but I already took care of some. Now I need your help to figure out how many he has left for the application problem. Are you ready? Out of the 24 bad guys, 1/6 of them are Street Fighters. And now the clowns. I know 2/3 of the 24 are clowns. First off, I want to find out the Street Fighters. There are two ways of doing this. 1/6 times 24 equals. What does that equal? Or I can split it into 6. 6. I split into 6 and I know there's 24. So I need to make 6 equal groups counting up to 24. I need you guys to solve how many Street Fighters there are. Yep. Welcome back. I hope your answer was 4. I'm going to show you how. If we took our 24 Street Fighters and split them into 6 equal groups, we found out that 1/6 equals 4 Street Fighters. Or this way, we know 1 times 24 is 24, and the denominator stays 6. Now, 24/6 is going to equal 4 wholes. How do I know that? I count it by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. 4 whole Street Fighters. The clowns. We know 2/3 of the 24 bad guys are clowns. Now, use your two methods to figure out how many clowns there are. You can make it into thirds, spreading the 24. Or you can 2/3 times 24 equals how many clowns. With this method, you take 2 times 24, which gives you 48. And we know the denominator is 3. Now, how many holes will that give us? You tell me. How many clowns are there? Our answer was 16 clowns. How did we get that? Well, in our 2/3, we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or in our method over here, we know 3 goes into 4, 3. 1 time. 3 times 1 is 3. Now we subtract. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Bring down the 8. How many times does 3 go into 18? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's 6 times. 3 times 6, 18, 0. 16, 16. There are 16 clowns. With 4 Street Fighters and 16 clowns, how many total bad guys do we have left to fight? Your answer should have been 20 bad guys. Now, I need you guys to complete the sprint while I find the keys to the Batmobile. I'm going to give you a couple helpful tips on how to get that done, and then you could get started. First things first. 1/4 times 2 equals. Now, 2 ways you could do it. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 stays the same. Or we have 2 holes and we split them into fourths. 1/4, 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. That's number 1. The next problem. 1/5 times 4. I look at this. 4 times 1 gives me 4/5. Now it's time for you to do one on your own. 2/3 times 5. Go ahead, solve the problem. 2/3 times 5 will give us 10/3. Now that you know how to do it, I need you guys to go back to the Google Classroom tab, open up your sprint, and get started. When you're done, see me back at the end puzzle. Now that you finished your sprint and I found my key, let's go to the Batmobile. There it is, behind the hidden door. The Batmobile! Now to the exit! It's locked! Where's the key? Find it! In order to open the Batcave, we need to get our problem set to get the key. So, an example of the problem set is here. 9 eighths of 32. Now, you know from previous, we need to take 9 times 32. So we're going to solve that here. 9 times 2 gives me 18. 9 times 3, 27. Plus 1, 28. 288. My denominator, remember, stays 8. Your problem set's going to look a lot like this. I need you guys to go back to Google Classrooms, get it done, and get me the key. Meet me back here. Good job finishing the problem set. We found the key. Now it's time to go.